Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with state tax portals like California FTB, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with state tax portals like California's FTB, begin by navigating to the official California FTB website. Locate the login area, typically found on the home page. Select the option for individual taxpayers or business accounts, depending on your needs. Click on Register if you are a new user. Provide necessary information such as your name, social security number, and date of birth. Create a username and password that meets the specified criteria. Answer security questions for additional verification. Submit your registration details and wait for an email confirmation. Once confirmed, return to the login page and enter your username and password. In cases where you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password through your registered email or phone number. After successful login, you may be prompted to authenticate further. This could involve multi-factor authentication via text or email. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Now, you should have access to your account dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and locate the features you need. You can file taxes, check your refund status, or make payments from here. Always log out securely after your session to protect your information. For any issues, refer to the support or help section of the site for guidance. If problems persist, consider contacting their customer service for assistance. Stay updated on any changes to the authentication process by regularly checking the site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.